Is this you? Every time your phone, credit card, or any small object falls between that annoying space between your car seat? How many credit cards have you reported stolen and missing only to find it in your car? I found an earring, been missing 3 months. I got a fix for all of that. One thing that drove me crazy was dropping my phone, credit cards, or even loose change between the seat and the console. It never failed. I was always reaching down there for something. So I got drop stop seat gap fillers. It slides right into place around your seat belt, so installation literally takes seconds. Once it's in, it blends right into the interior of your car, and it doesn't get in the way of your seat belt at all. Now instead of everything disappearing into that gap, it stays right where it's supposed to. No more digging between seats while you're parked, or worse, while you're driving. If you're tired of losing things between your car seat, Drop Stop is definitely worth checking out. I've dropped the link.
The original one. This is exactly why I finally got the original Drop Stop. You've probably seen copies everywhere, but this is the original Shark Tank best-selling seat gap filler, and honestly, you can feel the difference. Unlike all the other